Understanding, be dying for, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, be dying for. It's a colorful expression that we often use in English to express a strong desire or need for something. So, if you're keen to expand your English vocabulary, stay tuned. When someone says they're dying for something, it doesn't mean they're in any real danger. It's just an idiomatic expression that means they really want something. It can be used for tangible things like a glass of water or intangible ones like a holiday. This phrase is quite versatile. You can say, I'm dying for a cup of coffee, or she's dying to know the results. Notice that it can be followed by both a noun and a verb. When a verb follows, it's usually in the to infinitive form. Let's see how this phrase works in different sentences. After running a marathon, I was dying for a drink. He's dying to see the new superhero movie. They were dying for some recognition for their hard work. Be careful not to take the phrase too literally. It's not appropriate for serious situations where someone's life is actually at risk. Also, avoid using it in very formal or professional contexts as it's a bit informal. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you're now dying to use be dying for in your conversations. It's a fun and expressive way to show your enthusiasm for something. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice what you've learned. See you in the next video.